But no cry was on a smooth note. No,
yeah.
no.
Pankasa now decided say.
Aye. And yes, me and Kasana me decided my contract ended.
And
So we signed 5 years with them.
Okay.
And it's ended, and I feel like I had to move on. So
okay, hope I saw try be different.
Yeah.
I saw try be different.
Yeah.
And to say, so the can't
Yeah, it was very smooth. It was very smooth. Same with my management team, my previous management team. That was also smooth. So yeah, that's it.
95.1.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. And to say record label be approach you now.
Not yet. Me, I'm not. I mean, it's not my. I'm not trying to rush into. I'm just taking my time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You are known for doing music. Music will be a teacher say, oh, he's a music boy.
Yeah.
So when your music, how are you then?
Me music. Me will feel me share movies. Me share cartoons. Me share cartoons a lot.
Anime.
Me boboa. Okay. Anime. Kofa no mo share anime ne there. On bet me aye. Demon Slayer, Attack on Titans, Ebebre, Naruto, One Piece.
And then no correct.
I share all those things.
And then no correct.
Me share me reading. Way so comics and manga no so me reading. I'm a full geek. Yeah.
And our hobby so yeah. Then what is your hobby?
I love swimming. I can skate, so I love skating, skiing. I could do like rollerblades as well. I do a little bit of skateboarding. Skating in general. What else? Gaming. Yeah, I love playing games. I love reading. I love dancing. I love creating music too.
You love dancing?
Yeah.
And the next question number.
To
say on say gidi on say first now buy now say sapa.
Yeah.
I say Numbia you are actively dancing
Yeah.
But you say how they are to maybe now lover boy.
Unse finesse no. Unse finesse needed that, your flex needed that. So you don't have to do much, honestly. There are times where you have to do much, like in fact it's VGMA performances. Especially my performances. About my performances are different. But let's say when it comes to most of my music videos, I don't do too much. You understand? I feel if I was doing it every time, it would have gotten boring. You understand? So you give them piece of I give it the people very hot one. Gidi dear back to say many medical seke. I say no one now this is shame one is that one. Yeah.
Yeah, one. And then I know so a shit.
But
see I drop here.
On a low near Maubako.
No.
Yeah.
You say well meme. At the beginning of this thing, now why you low key sound, why you slow?
Me case my slow because I've been working honestly. A couple of features. Maya Blue. I did a feature for Maya Blue. Vanilla.
Last week.
Yeah, and Vanilla. How it feels. I've done like three features already, and they're all doing well. Me call UK Institute to play a mini tour. I played like Manchester, London, and then where again? One other place I forgot it. But yeah, I've been working. So as I said, I've not released music into me. Like I'm just there. You understand me? But other shows, and so I played a couple of shows, and yeah, I've just been working on new music too. So music need be go. The microphone back to back.
And to say what band they back to back.
Oh yeah.
Because they say
I believe.
That's how what disturb it. Then you have
yeah, and imagine you be more disturbance
times 2
times 3,000 times 3,000 DJs in there. Me how mo pa? Kakana me fro. Oh, Charlie no dey play my song.
Kwa makai. Say mo release your mom call your friend interview Eden some bad intia.
Oh, and yes how. Me I don't think that interviews are difficult for me. I always show up for interviews. Always. My core interviews I always show up for interviews.
Into one cast artist now from one apartment person do interview say if I choose for me to so we flyer no unhu nanim.
Oh, how?
Or releasing you.
No. I mean, obey. It's either you're doing it or you're not going to do it at all. Don't give instructions on whether you want them to show your face or they shouldn't use your picture or nah. It's either you've agreed to it and I say nah, you move on. You understand? At the end of the day, a whole career, you understand? And these are the same people that I'll be back to for them to promote your stuff. I feel like it's more of an understanding thing. So both of you, Moti, as I say, probably at that time, if you had hit me, if somebody from like your team had hit me up, let's say 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, say member, all of a sudden member interview, I would say me need products be a be promoted at the moment. You understand? Even as much as social also program, no, I don't have anything to also put out there. We all have to gain what you are saying. So a mutual understanding. Oh, okay, and they a bit to me actually who really see it. Then we put things together and then we plan it well. And then.
But on can't try and say, okay, maybe I wouldn't say umba, what come don't say umba, but saying say umba ne building. To so when you fly, mammy, I bet Nani a train, Mr. Nay, 12
and then wickedness, I know anything. Unless it be happy, it's out of Nipani control. But then apart from that, the umba, catch any panona.
What's all kind of shan of Quamuha?
Hey, and then the wickedness. And then
that's what planets are on bow.
Yeah, and they are not anything.
Tell us what the number now by one by why I done our yard.
With their sounding personal, I will be a mafia and over some mafia Nipani back.
Oh, David, send you the body out there now.
I
Including your number now.
And their personal experience.
Oh, David.
Oh, nice.
I come on a meeting.
Okay.
Because maybe I'm from Mr. Drew, person next week. I interview. Oh, Felicia, David, me call to be another thing. If I make sure that for
yeah.
Felicia, all the respect, mommy.
Yeah.
What I say, to you, me bar.
Yeah.
Also, mommy, say me more.
True.
But me Felicia, but me Felicia also me bomber because I warn you.
Yeah.
On say, what we give and then we take it back.
Respect, no.
A reciprocal. What I say. But all expecting say me born yum sam. Me first say me you dey hello kakra wo ha. First tell me say wo mad ya. O dey no so yeah mo.
Mad man, yeah, but I feel like you give up the same energies if you want somebody to respect you, respect the person.
I feel say on back you should be able to communicate. Say,
oh yeah.
Me can say me about 1 or 2 reasons in me to member.
Yeah. Give a reason.
Because if I say obi can come obi chairman say people make time for what's important to them.
Yeah.
So what I say.
Yeah.
And no sign no. And my name Mother's Day. Who celebrate your mommy?
My friend no wishing.
And I can't sing.
And I say audacity. But I was saying I know they my plan is me didn't be call out. My promising is they be my brown and
to be per time.
Yeah, me per time. No,
per time.
Yeah.
You know, a bit more fortunate to be with both parents.
Yeah.
It means also single parents, either mother or father.
Oh, no, you can put their single. No, I baby.
Oh,
yeah. So I have to give her a special treat.
Oh, she's a single mother.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to give her a special treat, special one.
She
see, I get me a promo inti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are over say how
man.
Sacrifice ben now mommy yeah out to say sacrifice where mommy the why sacrifice is baby.
Yeah.
But this particular one yeah. I saw my kuma muti. Ebi I met Tony Badin. And Tony Badin cry na maybe be out of the blue their man.
Okay, sacrifice the why baby, but me Felicia they special to me pane me will hit maker. I think say my final round final round and I like final 4 pay. And now yeah per votes because at that time they also vote.
Deadly.
Yeah, serious voting, campaigning, na me them post at cars, taxis
yeah, why be near
yeah, now ne dollars be now or the atite. Yeah, and of course sign. And yeah, they are voting. And I think that stood out for me. That was very special.
Yeah. Because now how they told her for some occasion be or the guy changing now for
changing in and then some jewelries be na she went to sell them so and then we had to yeah. And even that one I didn't win. I didn't come out first, but and that one I was sad. Now me very sad on one or buy on him because I said be fine. I should just keep going. Yeah. So she's done a lot of things. She's sacrificed a lot, And it was a time pan. I'm man some special treats. Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Into Felicia Mother's Day, you're celebrating once a year, and I think you've been Debia.
Oh, Debia, because mothers are doing really well. They are so special. Mothers are very, very special. Yeah, so Mother's Day, they are Kenya every day.
Every day.
Yeah, every day.
And Ramadan for being a Mother's Day, or sorry, no panan or share a tad a whole fine. And a friend, a boy, mammy. And a cotton boy, mammy, feel.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure no one, mammy, baby.
And I didn't.
Oh, Felicia, the boy, mammy deserve it, or cowaring, you know. Also, yeah, dear,
I said, no, so name, mammy.
Only circle for years, I didn't know. Only say, mammy, no, or back tears, you know. I did also the mom, mammy, not that come about to soon or papa to soon in Ishra.
Ah, okay. No, but that's not right, though.
I didn't tell.
And you're right.
Sending I am, mammy, everybody.
Yeah, so obey me, don't treat one.
That's all home sewing.
Now, say you're not the direct, you could be like mother-in-law.
If I don't cry, what's I don't know. If I don't know, fee. It's okay.
Why are you trying to win, this one over? Nah.
And
Take care of your mom.
What I say?
Yeah, your boyfriend also take care of his mom.
Obia mami and mami.
Exactly.
Say bro, so na
de or down for no one.
Utie me a Priscilla Jema, utie me a. The said so one yard. And a question be on social media or say, if I saw mammy about bestrow. Now mother-in-law so bestrow, uche and I'm near about what be my
Train. My mom and then mother-in-law.
Yeah. And there's only one meat to be served. What about my
My mom, of course. Why on the banner soon permit money?
So I am head of the house into Ukoya, my number can I buy, and I'm so being a ho.
And with the mammy, pepe, or enjoy.
Unchem too.
Debbie.
Man, wife, I mean,
nah.
And yeah, Dr. Drew wife, they would tell me. Nah,
me, mommy, okay, I'll be okay. Yeah.
Your mom's interest first.
Yeah, before anybody else.
I understand.
Yeah, man.
Growing up, not per se, then, and a music by.
Growing up, I've always thought that I'll do music. Like, I've always seen myself performing on stage to people. You understand? So that's what I'm doing now. Whatever I wanted to do, that's what I'm doing now. As a child.
I saw sorry, and I saw the name sorry.
Oh, Namin Sawa, sorry. It was more of hearing a lot of music because Nami neighborhood Nami Timunu, na superstar Nana King. I was down so man. I want to know neighboring houses. So now we used to hear a lot of music from his side when he's in the studio. And so I want fall in love with music. And I want to omoye shows kakra I will hood in the minty. I know my mind Kolana Besa was stage. What I say, music and dance. The one started, and since then, I've always watched performers such as Michael Jackson, Terry Bochaka, Slim Basta, FBS. All these people, I've watched them growing up in T.
Just I sound self-taught.
Yeah.
And
then singing in self-taught.
And I made them
Ade.
Because I was married, so me taught still.
But how do you know now? Yes, it's here.
There's some dancing coming home. I mean, other talent too, but I said, okay. In China, so you wanted to meet Asha. Echo thing.
Well, it didn't go as
planned.
I wanted. Yeah, it didn't go. Me, Ghana, at that moment. I had to rush back. I think I was in the Netherlands. The same day as the show, that's when I came to Ghana. I got here in the evening,
Oh.
So it was kind of late, but I was able to get a video call with him and we spoke about a couple of things.
When a connected call, no?
It was actually Stoneboy's manager, Chief.
Oh.
Yeah, he did that. It's a big shout out to him.
Okay, chance of person in the casa.
Name ex-manager, no, and then say I think that Chief had heard that. Semi posted me tweeted about it, so he had heard that I was trying to meet Asha, so he trying to like do that connection. Big shouts to him because there were so many people around him that could have done that, but they didn't, but he did. So big shouts to he deserves all that.
Chief,
yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Does it put pressure on you, so on your hit song?
Hit songs, we have enough. You understand? I'm not pressured to put out a hit song. I'm pressured to put out good music, a good song, because good songs can go a longer way. You understand? His songs there, you can play rubbish song and then today you'll be able, hey. We've heard a lot of rubbish songs that in that moment, hey, crazy, yeah. But today if you play it, people wouldn't want to listen. You understand? Yeah. So the aim is to release good songs for people to enjoy next 2 years, next 3 years, next 4 years, next 5 years. If it's good, if it doesn't even hit now, later in the future, it's gonna come back. Like the way TikTok is bringing back all these old high life songs, old songs. You understand? Because the songs are good. So a better back. You understand? As far as it's good music, we are cool.
Yeah. Also, as so one out show you. One out show you.
Yeah.
Wow, show you. Wow, creative content. Generally, will be our yes, I be. It gets to a point that to make like blank, empty.
Yeah.
What dependencies so crowd? You know what you are writing. That's all home it.
Yeah.
I said, what am I not doing right?
Yeah.
What is wrong?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll hear them.
Yes, I just stop everything and like my music says, forget everything, forget all your sorrows. You understand? Move on. So sometimes vibe number, I just go and play a video game or I'll go and watch a movie. I usually don't stress my mind a lot when it comes to creating because me feel say how you feel and the feeling it doesn't stay for too long. You understand? Into vibe number, you go and write, put something down. When it's an idea, write it down. And then leave it, let it soak in. And one casa you be push Charlie. What trouble people are how? Wager, it was so called develop an idea. No? You understand? That's how I see things. Maybe for somebody else, it was sort of, but for me, I have to leave it, like free the mind, free wandering, and then come and work on it. It always works.
It's what trouble be kind of jaho. We have to him to make sure say, eh. And
yeah, but to make your idea be clear later. Yeah, what show ebia and van say and they'll buy was o can say what they are to on. You be there and then it will come to mind and you'll be like, okay, to me the way come home. You understand? Your brain just needs some space to function.
And pressure no.
Yeah, don't pressure. You can't force creativity. Yeah.
No, it comes naturally.
Yeah, you can't force creativity.
And wow, one man.
And one cause I drain a bit. Adjust in natural say, hey, go do quick.
You're very famous, baby, internationally, domestic, international,
yeah, local, domestic, everything.
Domestic came then for domestic.
Yeah, domestic. Yeah.
How are you handling fame?
I
thought that home it so you're famous because there are certain things that and come on a regular.
Me dem me pa. Me na around. Who me na me anka sami koto diane.
And found. Ubi am
Andre ya me nam kwan to hot bread. Moton hot bread do a lakeside kwan. So me I don't mind. I really don't mind. Yeah.
And found who be brave.
It doesn't really pressure.
And more pressure.
No.
See, because okay. Okay, what could I now be at Twitter and so be at say it be a necklace that will come a fake. Usun you say be a 7 a fake. Utsimoka say. Being famous, does it pressure you to buy quality stuff?
I mean, you're a brand, right? And you need to invest. you need to invest in the brand. What I say? We're a brand. You have to invest in the brand. But like, let's say normal stuff. Like, I'm going to buy food. I'm going to get a drink in the shop. And then you say in the I can.
Normal.
I feel like there's no unless I'm being put like now. Everyone say I can't wear slippers and then come here. You understand? So this is work. But then aside that normal daily stuff there, I can wear my chaps, my chalote and then walk around. And nobody can question me about that. For now, but here, I have to pull up right. I need to look good. I need to, because people are watching the image. I'm a brand. You get it? Yeah. And I ain't faking, so we don't wear fake.
Oko programmer to put together an outfit and I had to come out and I was stylist.
Hey, very difficult for me. It might take my whole time. I'm very indecisive when it comes to dressing. So usually I have a stylist or I let my little brother. Honestly, he's into fashion. So I just ask him, oh, what does he think? Like so Onua helping me put it together. You understand? Yeah.
No who the obeshe.
Na me who dey ameshe. Wait me take me hours. Na me now.
No.
Na me who she. Me who so. Sometimes I figure it out.
Sometimes it's said that to me.
Yeah. Sometimes. Yeah.
VJ me buy. Yeah.
Debbie.
Wamba. Say VJ me ye baby and for dressing near dear no.
Yeah.
You think say backlash and necessary because said okay say I thought I who the obeshe pia bontin. Going for an event like that no. But you see the corner said the corner of so pull it together now they be and for making mockery of the person. Is it necessary?
VGMA dear. Like let's say shows like that, not exactly VGMA. It's a big show. Let's not get it twisted. A big show. What I say? You need to go prepared. Don't. It's either you are going to slay or you go. Then they don't show up at all. That's how I feel. It's either you say you are going prepared. There's no impromptu. There's no impromptu. There's no impromptu.
Ultimate dress will feel on. Oh, my say, do a tiny dear fatal shed dear, and no sooner match.
Bear work. It's work. Don't think that it's just for glamour. No, like it's work.
I understand.
Yeah.
Oh, my miss on why effect. Unya and your son why effect. Like you are what's late, be a knife. Upia want to be Shadow and Felix. The come on, minimum the way and come on any over banner combination and two of me. Everyone start trolling you on social.
Yeah. Usually that counts, but still, most of let's say their angles, the lightning over there might not help. That one is on the side. That's like, Enfane said, I do a Miami tea. Hey, that's like 20%. But then your outfit and then your look is the rest of the percent. What I say? Also, bathroom. Whether you blame it on the angle or the lightning or whatever, or how hot the place is or how cold the place is, or I feel like such shows be prepared like ahead, like let's say 3 weeks be, and I say 1 month. Would you catch your tailor no on share say a red carpet, a red background, no, everything will definitely a hobby red. So what colors will match? Osha a hobby crowded and the heat over there. Or how's the lighting gonna be? You look at past shows, and compare. At the end of the day, let me tell you, people watch. I didn't really think that people watch these kind of things until I stepped outside Ghana, and then they were like, "Oh yeah, I watched your performance for here. I saw you on the red carpet. You slayed." I'm like, wow. So you people actually see. So such shows, there's no excuse. You don't really have an excuse. If your tailor doesn't pull through, your stylist doesn't pull through for you, don't come. And as I avoid the red carpet. Just don't. And so then skip the red carpet. You can always. Into home. Don't say no be inside that. No, I bet you know which I now call. And that one you there nobody get problem. Oh, I
said they will be my camera before. Oh, Roma.
And I mean, Debbie. Ube dodgy. Almost skills.
David say, "Oh, one year for who's on 1 year for," and I won't study. I don't know.
No, but
Uncle baby, who drew out a man. What underdress? I said, "I've been told that."
It be to me that. But you see, the thing is, once you figure that out, you need to find a way to avoid the cameras.
To avoid the camera.
Oh, avoid the camera. I avoid the camera. A couple of shows that I went to, I was like, Charlie, this one there, no.
Now you're famous, yeah.
No, not really famous, but I've avoided a lot. Baby,
famous.
Boba.
Never boba.
Like the fame was boy ain't coming. You get it. So me, I feel like Charlie. If one guy I'll do now share settings now. Now one guy's our advice. Mami nkofa camera we ni me mo be in coming once. You understand? Because at the end of the day, these pictures people don't forget to. Don't keep it. Then do because last year and this year patapa they trendy. I mean, think something that was like years ago is now that is trending again.
When in there she. Don't want the pen draw. No was a picture.
Yeah, no one sound the pen at draw account. Very crazy. But it's all part of the industry. Like at the end of the day, you need to show up well. Work. What you say? Yeah.
I get it. Back to tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, available everywhere. Out everywhere. Yeah.
Dance challenge ne de nyam bae.
And yeah, lunch. Say na me catch you say me no ne be lunch.
Ah, ne be lunch. E be lunch.
Yeah, be lunch.
Inti so o de nyam ba na so ko hu dancers na. One hour they will dance e kwa na so do ha no mo create dance for the song.
Usually we contribute like both of us can.
Mo de adwene bom.
Yeah. But I just leave it to the dancers because at the end of the day, I'm work into me mom, me jam mom, yeah. Now, a banner, me feel say we a bad normal person to do like a normal person who doesn't dance to do it. Now you're breaking it down.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Because I mean, who's on page, you know, why? Baby, how I in the fact, baby, how no why in asset tutorial,
yeah.
For mom to me,
simple ones.
Yeah.
Tomorrow,
about TikTok as a promoter, and I say, wow,
oh yeah, definitely gonna have TikTokers promoting.
Who a few in mind?
A few. A hot day. I have baby because most of them are my friends. I have baby. I have a lot of TikTokers that, like recently, I met Ikea.
Official.
Ikea. The saying. The
official.
Yeah. Big shouts to her. She does so well. Wikia is my friend too. Yeah. Asantua. They be on the 24/7. She's worrying me like drop music. We want new music. Until yeah. And she's been checking up on me too. So big shouts to her. And then there's this guy. He's always holding bread.
Emmanuel.
Charlie. He always the hold bread. That guy is so funny. Yo.
Emmanuel.
Yeah. With the cabin. Because they're crazy.
They are creative. They are very creative.
The creativity is. I mean, the TikTokers are doing so well. Their numbers are mad.
Me, I do offer me here.
Oh, now say me can't buy outside
because Panu running the air last hour. Oh,
Debbie. Into the end, assassin need it.
Yes, Asana Missing so any. Selena medicine when
Asana dear. Oh, so many power, but moves number. See, I said, you need Giovanni, yeah, the motto a year, like dance battle, like a bit tight. Yeah. But I'll be winning. Because baby, I said, also change Giovanni. Yeah.
We are saying,
Also change Giovanni. Trust me. Who moves?
Oh, I see. Dr. Drew, interview now, baby. Yeah.
That's it. You have really nice teeth, though.
Oh, wow, pressure. We are to tell me, yes, I
You're welcome.
Fine gentleman.
Kakra.
Nani. I don't know. But your final words.
I want to say thank you for having me. It's been fun, talking to you. And definitely I would love to come back here and then we could vibe more. Yeah. Big shouts to your DJ too. I beg your name.
DJ Y.
Don't
ask why.
Okay. Big shouts to DJ Y. And yeah, go stream my new music tomorrow on all digital platforms. The challenge is gonna start. Challenge never started very soon. So big shouts to all the people listening to me from every corner of Ghana. I love you guys so much. Thank you, Felicia.
Thank you, Mr. Drew.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but yeah, son is here.
Yeah, but yeah, son pampa.
More watch it out.
Munya botre. Yeah, but uploading is here because a channel.
Yeah, man. Yanko.
Marco for house. Cameraman.
Shouts to Ernie. Shouts to all the boys listening. Shouts to the people that I have to shout out.
When the money can flow, life is short, so don't stress.
The interview near baby, yeah, I hire on 95.1 FM. Adwuma Suni. My name is Mr. Drew, and a bon commodities here. It has been a lively conversation, interactive conversation, vibes upon vibes. And then my first time I mentioned about to the connection, be on point.
We for hustle for the bread, so me a day outside.
Me Pacho, let's go for a quick commercial break. We'll be right back.
Wonim sa wodaya sunu betimi abamu wa bra wode ho ababedom eye raffle course agudi adwumadi asronko ayede abanum wo betimi adi 2-bedroom house fully furnished ane bono eye $100,000 and I say Mitsubishi